The chapter begins with the historical context, explaining that the events took place long after the Buddha attained enlightenment. During this time, Shakyamuni Buddha resided on Vulture Peak in the company of a vast assembly of disciples, including monks, nuns, bodhisattvas, and celestial beings. Bodhisattva Manjushri, the embodiment of wisdom, inquired about the extraordinary spiritual qualities and virtues of the Buddha. He asked if these virtues were only present after the Buddha attained enlightenment, or if they existed before that. The Buddha revealed that his enlightenment was not the beginning of his spiritual journey, but rather a culmination of countless lifetimes of practice and compassion. He explained that he had appeared in various forms, taken different names, and practiced virtues over countless eons to help sentient beings on the path to awakening. The chapter emphasizes the universality of the Buddha's teachings, stating that all living beings have the potential to become Buddhas and attain enlightenment. It introduces the notion of the one vehicle of the Lotus Sutra, which represents the ultimate and all-inclusive path to enlightenment that accommodates diverse spiritual capacities and aspirations. The chapter concludes with the Buddha encouraging the assembly to listen attentively and deeply, contemplate the teachings of the Lotus Sutra. He assures them that those who uphold and spread the sutra after his parinirvana will gain immeasurable merit and spiritual benefits.